and heat. Then, when his best friend's child is kidnapped.
Where's my daughter?
It's the revenge of Mac Houston. All coming up after Webster tonight.
When you drive to Wendy's and order a single, you get more beef than the Whopper or the Big Mac. At Wendy's, you'll never have to ask where's the beef.
Got in the crossfire of a cop killer.
I'm here, Stacey.
And Hooker puts his job on the line. You're out of the investigation. The season premiere of T.J. Hooker, then.
If you need any help rowing, let me know.
Does Isaac get a new family? Emmanuel Lewis guest stars on The Love Boat. And Pamela Bellwood stars.
She's dangerous.
When twin sisters play double jeopardy with The Finder of Lost Loves. T.J. Hooker, The Love Boat, and The Finder of Lost Loves all starting at 8/7 Central tomorrow.